Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into the double bicep curl. First things first, posture is key. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, puff out your chest. This sets the foundation for an effective and safe curl. A staple exercise for anyone looking to build strong, defined arms. You've got options when it comes to equipment, whether you prefer barbell, dumbbells, or cables. Choose what feels comfortable for you. If you're a beginner, opt for a lighter weight and work your way up. The beauty of the double bicep curl lies in its versatility. You can perform it standing up, seated, or even on a preacher curl bench for more isolated, targeted work. Now onto the movement. As you curl the weight, make sure you're going through a full range of motion. Let your biceps stretch at the bottom and squeeze them hard at the top. The more effort you invest, the better the payoff. But always listen to your body. Don't push past what's comfortable. Always consider any health limitations you may have. And that's it for today's tutorial on hammer curls. Remember, the key to results is consistency and effort. So keep pushing, keep curling, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you again.